Your website uses a firewall? Great. But which firewall? Maybe you haven't heard of WAF yet. Firewall versus WAF. What's the difference? What is a traditional firewall? A traditional firewall, or network firewall, works at the network level. It filters traffic based on IPs, ports, and protocols. Protects infrastructure. Blocks suspicious traffic. Doesn't understand website structure. What is a WAF? Web Application Firewall, or WAF, operates at the application level. It filters data sent via forms, login fields, and user inputs. Prevents SQL injection, blocks cross-site scripting, XSS, protects CMS and WordPress plugins. So what's the difference? A traditional firewall is like a perimeter fence for your network. WAF? It's the guard at your website's front door. Traditional firewall, network level. WAF, application level, combination, maximum protection. Who should use WAF? If you have an online store, news portal, or high-traffic site with user input, WAF is a must. SSL, firewalls, and WAF all play roles. Don't pick just one. Combine them for robust website protection. Want the best solution for your website's security? Visit Entrust SSL Malaysia at sslmalaysia.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are also learning firewall. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more exciting IT content. See you in the next video. Stay motivated and stay secure your website.